Delivery.
Thank you. Wow.
Wow.
Jeez.
Well, here's a hole. We're getting it.
Your turn.
Okay.
Tag, you're it. Welcome to my basic ass bitch van build. Sorry. I'm MontanaDanna, and on this episode of Girl vs. Van, it's my first time using a jigsaw, so naturally, I'm gonna practice by cutting a hole in my van. And with the help of some of my friends, we installed the skylight.
So I got a lot done on day one. I put up some shiplap.
It's fine, we're fine. Everything's fine.
My friend Eric helped me install the roof.
Oh, wow. Way better than fairy lights.
There we go.
Yes.
And we also put in this itty bitty skylight.
Ooh, there's the bug net. Look at that.
So happy to have Eric helping me with this part. This is the part I'm the most nervous about, drilling a hole in the ceiling.
Yeah, we'll be good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right. Careful. Oh, hi, miss. Hang on. Just up here measuring the roof vent. It's 240 millimeters, just a little over 11 inches. So I'm gonna center 5.5 inches right here. And then if I put some tape, I don't know, I'll be back with you.
So I found the center and I used a square tool, taped along the edges. I did a couple guesstimations, but it ended up working out.
Measure twice, cut once, right?
Yep.
So just away from the edge a little, right?
Yes.
Just go straight down and keep drilling, pull up, just like we did on the wood.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
The painter's tape is going to act as a guide for the saw, but first, we got to drill a hole in each corner of the square. The jigsaw needs a little starter hole just to help it out a little bit.
Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth. Going.
Scared.
You got it.
Right there?
Yep.
Does it have to be exact, or is it?
No, it's a big drill bit.
Oh,
Okay.
see?
Hold on. Hold on.
Like right here.
Yep.
Gotta like man
Push.
pose for a
Yep.
second.
Man pose that, Captain Morgan.
Yep.
There you go. Oh.
Am I, do I have to
No,
come out?
you're twisted to more power. See the handle? Yep.
This way?
Yep. Squeeze real hard and then keep going. Keep going.
All the
Keep
way?
twisting. Yep. You can go again. Yep.
Okay.
It's got the power.
It's got the juice.
Yep. Okay. You're good.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Holy shnikey.
That was a little too much juice.
We're in control.
Wow.
It's all fine. It's all fine.
She must work out. Just do a tap on the next one too.
Oh yeah. Thanks, coach. Put me in, coach. Don't know how
You're
I do
fine.
this without you. Well, I have 8 different holes in 8 different places.
Perfect.
Is that good?
Yeah, as long as that drill bit sinks in, you're good.
Why do I keep falling? We're in.
We're good.
I'm like putting all my body weight on.
Yeah.
Welcome to my basic ass bitch van build. Sorry. Guess I don't need to put all my body weight on it and fall
Not
hard.
too much. Don't fall off the van.
Okay. Boy, tough.
If I didn't put all my body weight on the drill, it did not go through the van.
It's almost there.
I don't know what to tell you.
Ooh, that was a pretty hole. The other ones are all like, the other ones are ovals. This one's a circle.
Like that cover thing on it. The other one's like straight through the
Oh. Oh, it's got the like
that plastic. or
Yeah.
whatever it is, silver foam.
Okay, one more.
Okay.
Oval, oval, circle.
All
We're
right.
getting better.
You're getting better. Just 10 more holes in your
That's
roof and
not
you'll be
even-
fine.
Yeah. That's not even close to the corner, by the way.
We got a jigsaw. You've got the power. You can do it.
Someone please take the power tools away from the blonde chick.
Why does it do that? All right. And this is how to ruin your van. I guess jigsaw?
Yeah.
That one's not quite on the edge. So I guess I'll just take the jigsaw and go to the edge. Same here. But yeah, it looks okay. We got 4 holes. I've never used a jigsaw in my life. What do I do now?
Well, what you're gonna do is put the blade there and follow this line.
Okay. Are there gonna be sparks?
There shouldn't be. No, not at all.
What do I do about this corner? Just go all the way to the corner?
Yep, just
even
go all the
though...
way to the corner.
Am I gonna have to re-drill that?
We'll take care of it.
Okay. I don't know if the first time using a jigsaw ever should be cutting a huge hole in my roof.
I think it should.
Oh, Jesus. Do I have to push down pretty hard.
Yeah.
Eric made it look so easy. But seriously, someone take the power tools away from the blonde girl.
Did I ruin your saw? Okay.
Well, here's a hole. We're getting it.
Your turn.
Okay.
Tag, you're it. What's your favorite crumble cookie? That's what I need to know. I have a feeling we're gonna have to make it bigger because remember that 0.02?
Mm-hmm. It's okay. Where are you?
Sweet.
Stay away.
Yeah, lots of metal.
Yeah, get out of there, sweetie.
Lots of metal shavings.
Where's your file?
So we want to get rid of all the excess metal shavings, so filing the roof a little bit so we have a nice clean surface to work with.
Shavings.
Oh yeah.
Keep it smooth like that. It's not gonna fly.
That's what I forgot to get. Rust-Oleum. Okay.
You know it won't
The moment of truth. Does it fit? Does it fit? It fits.
And it magically worked. I don't know how, I don't know why, I don't know how, but it worked the first time.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, Danna.
I can't believe we got it.
Oh yeah. Let me get that file
Okay,
and I'll smooth out the edges.
File. Coming up. Where is the file? There we go.
Thank you.
So we're gonna file up the edges. I forgot Rust-Oleum though. We need Rust-Oleum.
You have that hammer.
I got it.
Next step is to put down some putty tape, this gooey seal tape stuff. This will help seal the skylight to the van.
Then we're gonna lie this down. We put this in between the metal. Oh, there's metal shavings everywhere. And it'll wedge in between the plastic. And then this goes around the edge. So what would you do to get rid of these shavings? Just like sweep them?
Where?
Do a blower? There's like shavings all over the roof.
I have my shop vac.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty powerful.
Oh, sweet. This is what it's like actually having real tools. I've been using like a handsaw. It's a seed. Oh, that's the stuff. Rust-Oleum.
Yeah, I was gonna, you spray it from underneath here.
Oh, you do?
That way you don't get weird spray in here.
So we're just gonna do a little spray, a little spritz of Rust-Oleum. Just gonna seal off the metal so it doesn't rust. So I learned what to order and how to install the roof vent just from watching YouTube videos. There's a link down below for all of these items, including the skylight. But I also learned on YouTube that it's really important to clean up all the little metal shavings so they don't get into the little cracks of your van and rust and cause issues later on.
Have you ever used stuff like this?
Uh-huh. It's sticky.
What's it for?
It helps.
Is it just
seal
the
it.
sealant stuff?
Yeah, it's to help seal. Push it on the hump. I'm looking at air gaps.
Oh,
yep.
right here?
Yep. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah. It'll help seal it from any moisture getting in to
Okay.
create rust or anything, rain or anything like that. There you go.
Ooh, yeah, that had
Yeah.
a bubble.
Yeah. You just follow it with your thumb and get all the air bubbles out. I'm gonna get us a drink of water.
Okay.
Danna, I hope you don't mind. We ran out of water, so we just have vodka.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Oh, I thank
Delivery.
you. Wow.
Wow.
Jeez. Your water is delicious.
So if you're gonna build a van on your own, I suggest getting yourself an Eric. Very helpful, much needed. I literally would not have a skylight right now. Look at all this natural light that comes in the van. Not great lighting for videos, however. It's perfect at night when I need a little breeze. I don't have any windows in the van, so pop that baby open, get a little draft going through here. Get to lay down and look at the stars. I love it.
Do I need to, like the corners aren't quite.
Let me see. Get down, sweetie.
Can you help me?
I hope that's on your YouTube video.
The difference between mom and dad. He's like, sweetie, now come down. And she's like, get your ass
Yeah.
out of that ladder. Hello.
Okay, so what
I
are you
see a
doing?
little monkey in there. Are the corners okay like that?
Because you're gonna liquid nails it. There we go.
Are we in?
Yep, we're in.
We're in.
We're in. I'm gonna put some pressure on it to really seal it.
Okay.
Ugh. Oh, no.
Oh no!
That hurt.
Did it pinch you?
No, I'm good. Don't worry about it. I'm fine.
Oh god.
Danna, I'm gonna give you some blonde.
You just threw in some trash.
We got a bleeder.
Oh,
I'm not frosting a cake, right?
no,
That's what I
no.
feel like I'm doing.
Okay, so the stuff we're using here is RV Flex Repair Caulking Lap Sealant, aka more gooey sticky stuff.
Oh my gosh, you have caulk everywhere. Good grief.
Ugh. It's all sticky.
Yeah.
Am I putting enough on?
Oh yeah.
Oh, is that too much?
No, you're doing just fine, sweetie. You just keep caulking away. Okay, now go on the other side and do that. Try to get the tip in and then squeeze. Yep. See all that white stuff coming out? Perfect.
Martini. Corinne,
Control your
get
husband.
your husband under control.
Good grief.
Out of control, this one. He's just out of control.
That's when you can use your finger. It's okay.
Oh, is that why I have gloves on?
Yeah, so you can, there you go, and then use your finger. Put the tip on that thing right there. Yep, there you go. Hey babe, can you get me some paper towels? Yep, there you go. Beautiful.
Tap it in.
Just tap, tap, tap.
Just a little taparoo. Is that it?
That's it.
And we just let it dry?
You let it dry.
Okay.
You can sign your name in it if you want, apparently. You goobed it up for sure.
Yep, yep, yep.
That's not going anywhere. Yeah? Good job.
On the outside.
That's why I have these for you.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Perfect.
I clean up your mess a little bit. Call it good.
Got a skylight.
Yeah, good job.
Hallelujah. There's no way I could have done that without you guys.
Oh, Corinne did all the work, not me.
My supervision.
If she didn't give us those paper towels, we wouldn't even know where to start.
No, if I didn't have the moral support and the tools, like, I would have just been like, I don't need a skylight.
Yeah.
It's a skylight.
Eric had a really good idea to seal it on the inside as well. Oh, how cute. You can just see the stars at night.
And there's your bug.
Yeah.
You can have that open.
No bugs up in here.
Or let's go to bed.
Yep. Love it.
There you go.
Love it, love it.
So,
Oh, it's
go
got
like
this
that.
thing. See, that's nice.
That's locked, so now it won't come open. Unlocked.
Yes.
Boom.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Real nice. Thank you, Eric and Corinne, so much for your help. This wraps up day 2 of the van build. There's 5 days left, so make sure you're subscribed if you don't want to miss any of those videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your friends. We'll see you tomorrow.